Yep, that's me. What am I doing with my life, honestly? Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Amy and today I'll be doing a wash and go for the first time, which I still think is a curly hair routine, but let's be real, it's the same thing. So I'm gonna wash my hair right now, but I'll see you in like 1 second. Guess who's filming this 2 weeks later? So I use these 3 to wash my hair. This one's from Body Shop and I mix this with honey and olive oil. I don't know why natural people say mix those ingredients into your hair products, I guess to make your hair do things better, I guess. So to moisturize / style my hair, I'll be using my Cream of Nature and my Eco Style gel, even though my hair is protein sensitive, but let's be real, who's really paying attention to the rules here? Also, I'll be using another product that I'm too embarrassed to show right now because it's a man's product and it smells really musty. So if you want to know what product it is, please hesitate to ask me. So basically we're just gonna start section by section and see where my diamond brush takes me, really. So because God has blessed me with this low porosity hair, I'll be using my warm water to open up my cuticles, as the natural hair goddesses say. Why does it feel cold? So now I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my hair. You don't want too much product buildup because we're already suffering from that by living in a desert. Let's see, we'll probably kill my hair because there's protein in it, or we can use something that's protein safe but smells like men's hair. Why not kill our hair? Let's see, go use some. I haven't used this product in my hair in like so long. I don't know what I'm doing. We're just gonna work with what we got. Okay, and I'm gonna do this thing called the shingling method. I think it's when you basically shingle. Just watch what I'm doing and then maybe you'll figure out. I don't have time to be sitting here separating my hair strand for strand, but hopefully God give me strength because I have school tomorrow, so we'll just see where time and patience takes us. Okay, I see you. Okay, why am I so like amazed? Okay, stop touching your hair. You're just gonna probably ruin it. I did a poll saying left or right and everyone chose right. So right now I'm doing a right side parting. Usually when I try a hairstyle, it just doesn't work and I just don't know why. My hair like hates me or something, I guess. Searched up how to do wash and goes. But you know when you search up a hairstyle and you're like, wow, it looks so nice. But honey, you know, you don't have the hair type, you don't have the hair length, and you know for sure that your hair isn't gonna come out the same. But you know what you do? You do it anyway. But don't worry, you're not alone. I've been there before. That's why my middle name is Trial and Error. I think now would be a bad time to mention to my mum that I left cheese in the toaster. Why isn't my hair coming out right? Now we're finally on the last section. And this is gonna be the worst section because my hair can't curl. It needs something. What does it need? So this is the best I could come up with, guys. Yeah, I just wasted a good 45 minutes of my life for you guys. See, I love you guys so much. I'm actually glad I tried it. Would I try it again? No, unless my hair was up to here. Like up to here. Okay, fine, that was a lie. Like up to here. This was more like a wash and gone wrong, but it's all good. It's all for the fun. So let me know what you guys think of my hair. I I personally don't like it, but if you guys do, let me know. If there's anything that I should have done better other than rushing my hair, let me know also. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and obviously hit that notification button so you can see when I post. And don't forget to follow my social medias, which will be right here and in the description box below. So tune in for my next video, guys. Peace, love, and pepperoni. Bye, guys.